In this Yahoo Finance tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can edit your Yahoo Finance portfolio. So it's quite easy. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the Yahoo Finance app on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your device. So after you sign into your device, you can just scroll a bit down and you can see your portfolio. To edit your portfolio, just go ahead and tap on any portfolio which you have, and then you can see the edit or pen icon on the bottom right hand corner. Just go ahead and tap on edit, and as you can see, you can change the list name and you can also add your symbols. So you can see the plus icon. As soon as you tap on it, you can search for these icons over here or symbols, and as you press it, it will be changed. You can also change the list name over here. After you're done, just go ahead and tap on save. And if you want to delete the portfolio, it's quite easy. You can see the delete button on the left hand side. Just go ahead and tap on delete and press OK, and your whole portfolio will be deleted. Make sure that you are sure you want to do this. So guys, this is how easy it is to edit your Yahoo Finance portfolio. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.